Where's your nose? There it is. Where's your tongue? There it is. Where's your chest? There it is. Where's your toe? Oh, there it is. Where's your finger? There. Yeah. Where's your hair? There it is. There's Gigi's hair. Yeah, there's Gigi's hair. Oh, there's a baby's hair. Where's your knee? Where's your knee? Remember we talked about knee today? Where's Emmeline's knee? Where's Emmeline's knee?
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, there's Gigi's eye. Can you blow a kiss? Mwah. Good girl. Blow it. Blow it. Blow it. Mwah. Throw it away. Mwah. There you go. Oh, what? Oh, have you got a sore? Oh, it's wet. See the bird? See bird? How's the birdie go? How does the birdie go? Tweet, tweet. How does a cow go? How does a fish go? How does a horsey go? Nay. How does a doggy go? Doggy? How's a dog? How's a kitty go? Meow. How does elephant go? Elephant go? What else do you know? You want up? Do you want up? Do you want up? Say yes. Yes. Yes, please. Yes, please. That's Gigi's knee. Knee. Good job. Can you pat a cake? Can you pat a cake? Huh? Can you pat a cake? Yay! Yay! Can you do head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head and shoulders, knees and toes. You can do Itsy Bitsy Spider, can't you? Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the spout again. Good job! Yay! Yay! The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round.